Is XRP finally on the brink of mainstream success? With Bitcoin hitting a staggering $81,000 and potential developments in the Ripple versus SEC case, the path to an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, might just be unfolding before our eyes. But there's more. Could Trump's involvement shake up the whole scenario? Stick around, because in today's video, we're diving into this explosive mix of market movements, legal battles, and high-stakes politics. Welcome to Goldrush Crypto Daily Channel. I'm your host, Goldrush, here to bring you the latest in cryptocurrency news and analysis. Whether you're new to the crypto world or a seasoned trader, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates that could impact your portfolio. Today, we're covering a massive story from FX Empire, which details the ongoing Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, the explosive market rally pushing Bitcoin to new heights, and what all this means for the potential of an XRP ETF. This video will include some in-depth insights, and I'll be sharing my own thoughts on how this could play out. Teaser. Stick with me to the end, because I'll be sharing my predictions for the future of XRP and the broader crypto market, including how an ETF could change the game for XRP investors. The Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Where things stand. Let's start by addressing the Ripple lawsuit, which has been at the center of the crypto world for years now. According to FX Empire, this case continues to be a focal point as the SEC accuses Ripple Labs of selling XRP as an unregistered security. The implications of this lawsuit are enormous because the outcome could set a precedent for how other cryptocurrencies are regulated in the US and abroad. For those who might not be fully up to speed, Ripple, the company behind XRP, has been embroiled in a legal battle with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, since late 2020. The SEC claims that XRP is a security and that Ripple's distribution of it violated US securities laws. Ripple, however, argues that XRP is a currency and should not be classified as a security. This battle has raged on, with multiple court appearances, public statements, and countless motions filed by both sides. In my opinion, this case is one of the most significant legal battles in crypto history. If XRP is deemed a security, it could lead to a domino effect, putting many other cryptocurrencies at risk of similar classification and regulation. However, if Ripple prevails, it would likely embolden the industry, potentially leading to greater adoption and less fear of regulatory crackdowns. This case is a make-or-break moment for XRP and could redefine crypto regulations in the US and possibly worldwide. Bitcoin hits $81,000. The ripple effect on XRP. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin hitting an incredible $81,000. As reported by FX Empire, the recent surge in Bitcoin's price has sent shockwaves through the crypto market, boosting the value of many altcoins, including XRP. When Bitcoin rallies, the entire market often follows, and XRP is no exception. What's behind this surge? Many analysts point to growing institutional interest and speculation over the possibility of a Bitcoin ETF approval, which has fueled buying momentum. Bitcoin ETFs could pave the way for more capital to flow into other digital assets, like XRP, making an XRP ETF all the more feasible if the legal battle with the SEC goes in Ripple's favor. Why does this matter for XRP holders? Well, when Bitcoin experiences such massive gains, it typically raises interest in other top assets like XRP. If Bitcoin ETFs are paving the way, XRP could follow, especially if the legal dust settles in Ripple's favor. Bitcoin's rise to $81,000 is significant for the entire crypto market because it signals confidence, especially from institutional investors. As Bitcoin gains momentum, the potential for an XRP ETF grows stronger. In my view, Bitcoin and XRP serve different purposes within the blockchain ecosystem, but a favorable ruling for Ripple could lead to a flood of institutional investment into XRP, accelerating its adoption and mainstream integration. The Trump factor. Potential impact on the SEC's stance. Here's where things get even more interesting. As FX Empire suggests, Donald Trump's influence could come into play in the Ripple versus SEC battle. While Trump has voiced skepticism about cryptocurrencies in the past, his administration had a more relaxed stance on blockchain innovation, and some speculate that his return to political influence could lead to a shift in SEC policies. Why might this matter? Well, the Ripple case isn't just about XRP, it's about setting a regulatory precedent. If a more crypto-friendly administration comes into power, the outcome of this lawsuit could take a different turn or, at the very least, influence how future crypto regulations are shaped. Trump's influence over financial regulatory bodies like the SEC could potentially lead to a more favorable environment for Ripple and XRP, but this is still speculation at this point. Personally, I think Trump's influence could be a double-edged sword for the crypto industry. While he might bring in a regulatory approach that's less restrictive, there's no telling how this would play out for specific cases like Ripple's. My gut feeling? If we see a pro-crypto political shift, it could open doors for Ripple, which might fast-track the path toward an XRP ETF and broader regulatory clarity. The XRP ETF path and why it matters. Now, let's get into the most exciting part, the potential of an XRP ETF. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, allows institutional investors to gain exposure to an asset without directly buying it. For XRP, an ETF would mean unprecedented levels of accessibility and liquidity, potentially driving up demand and market value. The FX Empire article highlights that with Bitcoin ETFs on the rise, there's a growing conversation around whether XRP could follow suit. However, until the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit is resolved, the regulatory cloud hanging over XRP will likely prevent an ETF from being approved. But what if the lawsuit ends in Ripple's favor? An XRP ETF could be on the table. That would be a game changer, allowing both retail and institutional investors to participate in the XRP market without directly purchasing and holding XRP themselves. In my view, an XRP ETF would be transformative for the market. It would open XRP up to a much wider audience, driving liquidity and demand, and possibly stabilizing the price by reducing the high volatility we often see. If the SEC grants ETF approval, XRP could quickly become one of the most mainstreamed digital assets out there. This would also likely lead to XRP's value appreciating significantly in the long term. What lies ahead for XRP and the crypto market? With Bitcoin's price surging, the ongoing SEC lawsuit, and talk of potential XRP ETFs, it's safe to say the crypto world is in for an intense ride. As Ripple's case unfolds, its resolution will likely impact not only XRP holders but the regulatory landscape for all cryptocurrencies in the US. Let's not forget that institutional interest in digital assets is growing, and if Ripple emerges victorious, we could see a massive inflow of institutional capital into XRP and other altcoins. This would shift the market from its current speculative phase into a more mature, investment-driven ecosystem. So, what are your thoughts? Do you think an XRP ETF is around the corner, or will regulatory obstacles keep it out of reach? Let me know in the comments. And if you're finding value in this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Goldrush Crypto Daily channel. Your support helps us bring you the latest news and expert insights from the world of crypto. To wrap it all up, XRP stands at a crucial crossroads. The potential for an XRP ETF is very real if Ripple's legal battle ends favorably, and Trump's influence could play a wild-card role in shaping the regulatory landscape. We're living in a pivotal moment in cryptocurrency history, and every XRP holder should keep a close eye on these developments. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more in-depth analysis on the crypto market. And if you're interested in similar stories, check out my other videos on Goldrush Crypto Daily channel where we dive into the latest updates and trends in the world of digital finance. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.